Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your leader in Lords Mobile. In Lords Mobile, your leader is your hero who represents your kingdom in battles, boosts your army, and plays a vital role in turf management. In order to change your leader, launch open the Lords Mobile app on your mobile device and make sure it fully loads into the main screen. Now, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Now, click on the helmet icon at the bottom left, this one over here, and then from your leader options, select the leader you want to change to. Remember that only unlocked heroes can be set as leader. If a hero is still locked, you'll need to collect enough hero medals to unlock them first via hero stages or events. After you select the hero, click on Confirm, and there you have successfully changed your leader on Lords Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.